History of Simtocha Zong. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I would like to share the history of Simtocha Zong, one of the oldest and most important zongs in Bhutan. Simtocha Zong was the first zong built by Zhabdrung Ngawang Namgyal, the unifier of Bhutan. He built it to strengthen his newly established kingdom and to protect the country from both internal conflicts and external enemies. The zong stands at a very important location where the roads to Thimphu, Paro, and Wangdu Phodrang meet. Because of the strategic position, it played an important role in protecting western Bhutan. According to historical tradition, a Lama Zhang had predicted that a dzong should be built at this place. Later, Lama Pang Khashong offered the land to Zhabdrung Ngawang Namgyal, who decided to build the zong there. There is also a famous legend connected with Simtocha Zong. It is said that a powerful demoness lived in this area and disturbed travelers. Zhabdrung subdued the demoness, who disappeared beneath a large rock. The zong was then built on top of that rock, and the place became known as Simtocha, meaning, at the demoness's stone. Construction of the zong began in 1629, when Zhabdrung Ngawang Namgyal was 36 years old. The work was led by Tam Zung Choje Mifam She Wang Tenzin, together with many of Zhabdrung's disciples. After 2 years of construction, the zong was completed in 1631. It was given the name Sang Na Zab Don Phodrang, which means Palace of the Profound, meaning of the secret mantra. Today, Simtocha Zong is not only an important historical monument but also a symbol of Bhutan's rich culture, religion, and national unity. It remains one of the country's most treasured landmarks. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos about Bhutan's history, culture, and heritage.